The topic of today's video is how to change aspect ratios in Davinci Resolve. Alright, so right now we're on the edit tab, but it doesn't really matter. You could be on cut or media. And what we want to do is open our media pool. So now obviously we need to have something on the timeline to have this timeline option. Then right click, here's timelines, highlight that and go on timeline settings. And now we have our timeline settings and we can adjust the timeline resolution once we declick use project settings. And now we have a ton of different resolution scales here. We can even set custom ones. So just to show you, I'm going to just make a vertical resolution here. And we want to go to output and make sure that when we output, that will also use the timeline settings. And then you just want to say OK. And there you go, your resolution scaling has been changed. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.